Hit stop. All right, now we got to loosen the tensioner. We'll see if we can get a good view of that right here. That's this wheel and this wheel. And to do that, there's a lock nut here, which is 13 millimeter, which we're going to loosen, and there's one down there, which is also 13 millimeter, and that holds it in place. This, don't pull it all the way off, it just needs to be loosened. And same with this one right here. Just loosen that a little bit. Take your fingers and tighten it a bit. You can see how that now wiggles. You should be able to back. You'd shake it like that. This will loosen. Okay, this 17 millimeter bolt on the bracket right here, you put your socket over that and you spin it clockwise or to the right to loosen the tension on the pulley. To tighten it, now we're going to need to do it counterclockwise or actually loosen on your ratchet setting. Now I'm going to use my 1/2-inch drive, and it takes a lot of force. You'll find if it's bound up, you'll need to wiggle this bracket so that spring gets straight, and then you'll stick the 17 millimeter over it and you'll put a lot of force. I'm going to lean toward the passenger side with my body. It takes that much force, and you'll feel the spring move as this bolt, which is loose, will slide to the tightened position. Then we're going to come from behind with your smaller ratchet, and we're going to tighten that. So I'm going to get it ready to go. And this one needs to be on tighten. We're going to get it ready to go. Then we're going to put the big one on and crank to the left. Okay, let's get it on. We should be on. There we go. That one. Tighten. Oh, shoot. It moved. It didn't tighten all the way. Let's get that back on. Then, once that's tightened, we'll come back and we'll tighten this one. Now, we'll double check that that's snug. It is. Now, I'm going to check that. That should be pretty tight. It'll allow the hydraulic tensioner to move, and let's give it a go. Okay, now we're going to test it, see if that squeak is gone. Again, I'm going to make sure these belts, these hoses are out of the way. Can't tell you how critical that is, that these hoses are out of the way so you don't get them caught in the pulleys. Okay, fire it up. So far, there's no squeak. Okay, good.